COVID-19, we only have limited airport services and facilities available. Airports Company South Africa apologizes for any inconvenience caused. Protect you, protect us.
Hi, come on in. So, I would like to take this moment and greet you. My name is SN Mota and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, we just been on a flight from Johannesburg. We came down to Cape Town. So this is our first time experience. So I'm not alone, I'm with my cousin. So let me take you on our room tour. This is our cupboard. We're gonna store our clothes, and then there's the safe as well to keep our valuable belongings safe. Come, let me show you the bathroom. So this is an ensuite bathroom. So this is where we're going to bath. So nice, so nice. And then if you don't want to use the bathtub, we'll use the shower. Very classy. Then here is the basin with all that it comes with and the towels. And then here's the toilet. When we handle our business, we will get come. Let me show you where we're going to stay. So yeah, we are in a hotel called AWaterfront. Which is in Cape Town. So this is our bed, and then our table over there, TV. Come, let me show you this. Quite a nice view. Look at that Table Mountain. Wow, one of the 7 wonders of the world. So yeah, I think right now it's the new wonder of the world. So thank you for joining us on this vlog. Do come along and enjoy the journey with us. We are here at the Victoria Hotel. So this is our room 303. So they gave us these 2 cards which are keys. Check this out. So this one just showing it here at the door, and the door opens. Then you get in. Okay, let's close the door nicely. Then take 1 card. You put it here, and then their lights are on. As you can see, everything starts to function, even the aircon is displaying. Then you keep this one so that whenever you go out, use this one to enter. Quite a cool hotel, so I give it 5 stars. If it were 6, well, I would have given it 10. So yeah. Mr. Waki from the hotel, say hi. Hi. So yeah, so nice. We're in Cape Town, guys. So we're just taking a short stroll. So we're enjoying it now. Yeah. So yeah, it's evening time right now. So we are going to eat dinner before we head straight to the hotel. Now it's the end of the day for day 1. So like we did all the things that we wanted to do because we didn't arrive early. So yeah, we arrived in the afternoon. So yeah, we just went for a little stroll around the waterfront to see, to get ourselves familiar with this place. So yeah, after that we decided to go for dinner. So now, because of something funny happened, because of excitement, after we had dinner, my cousin lost his face mask. So I find that quite amusing, you know. So yeah, so it was quite funny when that moment happened, because yeah, he said to me it's because he's very excited of being in Cape Town for the first time. So yeah, that's why he lost his mask. So yeah, we are happy. So everything went well. So. Good morning, guys. We are at Table Mountain. So this is it up close. Such a beauty of Cape Town. We're going and going and going before we get to the tree and as well as the port. So yeah, it's quite a nice and a sunny and bright day. So we just wanted to take the cable car or cableway up the mountain, but then they said that we can't do that. So we're gonna come back later so that we can also enjoy the day. And over there is the Lionhead Mountain. Such a beauty of God's creation, God's nature. So wonderful. And I'm glad to have witnessed such a beauty in 2020. We're at the aquarium with some kids. Let's go and enjoy and look at the fish. Yeah. So yeah, guys, here are penguins. They kind of remind me of baby feet. It's quite nice as we are here at the aquarium to see all the animals that stay at the sea. Wow, this is quite wonderful.
Darren. Your skipper for today is Hilton, and up front there's Z. Okay, if you guys need anything, give us a shout. We'll be happy to help you. Alright. Just quickly, guys. This is our life jacket. Okay, we only have one on board, so if anything happens, share quickly. Alright. We got 45 on board. They're all underneath the seats, demarcated with the green sticker. In the unlikely event of an emergency today, each one of you needs to know how to put this on. It's quite simple. Pull it apart, slip it over your head. In front, got 2 buckles. Mine's a little bit tight right now. These 2 clip together just like that. Bottom straps wrap around your waist, back to the front. Almost like a shoelace, loop once, loop twice, pull tight, and repeat that process. Okay, once, twice, pull tight. Okay, if it's uncomfortable, got it sorted. Alright guys, in this event, myself and the crew will deploy the life raft situated behind the skipper. Your guys' job, go to my bar, take out all the alcohol, that'll be your ticket to the life raft to safety. Emergency exits, as you can see, all over the boat. Due to COVID-19, please just make sure you jump at least 1.5 meters away from each other. If you need the bathrooms, it's downstairs there. It is quite steep, so just please be careful, facing like a ladder on the way down. Now, you're more than welcome to move around the boat as you please. Just for safety reasons, one end to the boat at all times. Okay, if you're feeling a little bit unstable, then go off the boat, put a drink in each hand, and it'll even you out nicely. Okay? Tequila also helps, trust me. Guys, other than that, sit back, relax, and enjoy the cruise.
If you're listening to my colleague over there, the old shipwreck. So if you look around on our left, see there's like a little piece of metal sticking out the water. It looks like a mini King Kong. Yeah. Awesome. So guys, that's actually an old shipwreck. Yeah, it sank in the 1900s. And it was actually anchored off the coast here. And also that was before, so Cape Town, this was never here back then. This was all added on. I just looked at you guys. Yeah, so it was actually anchored and then the storm came, and then when the storm came it cut, the anchor cut. The anchor chain was cut, and then so the boat started drifting around. It was a steam powered vessel, powered by coal. So what happened, the wave came over and cleaned the engine, technically, because it's powered by fire, you know. And then when that happened, the boat was flipped and yeah, it became shipwrecked over there. There were no survivors, but a little piglet. That's your true story.
So yeah guys, we are on the boat ride. Quite a nice experience. I'm really enjoying this journey. So yeah, it's quite amazing. Look at the view. Wow, I love it so much. So yeah guys, we are on the boat ride. So it's such an amazing I think for me, this is my biggest highlight in Cape Town. You know, I think I said that, but this one takes the cup for me. I'm so happy to have done this. So yeah, this one is very So yeah guys, this is my dessert. I'm having some pudding. It's going to be nice. Evening, guys. Yeah, so today was a very fantastic day. So unfortunately for us, we've reached the end of the day, but it was so much fun. I so wish that it didn't end. The activities that we did today, we went to Table Mountain, but then it wasn't operating because of the wind. Like there was strong wind in the mountain, so we had to take a rain check and then come back. And then after that, we decided to spend some moments at the hotel. It was quite fun. We really enjoyed that time. And then after I went for an amazing, guys, it was just an amazing boat ride. You know, whenever you come to Cape Town, just do yourself a favor and book that 1 hour boat ride. I promise you, you won't regret it. And then after, I think it was already towards evening time, went out for a walk, and then we took some pictures, quite nice pictures. And then afterwards, we went for dinner. So tonight, after eating dinner in one of these nice restaurants at the AWaterfront, we also ate dessert. It was magnifique, so they say. So yeah, thank you guys. See you tomorrow morning, guys. Yeah, it's a bright, wonderful, sunny day. So yeah, I slept great last night. Today we have a wonderful activities that we have planned or outlined for the day. So I won't be getting to details as to what we're gonna do and what. You'll see as we keep going there. Yeah, so please do come along and join us. Today is our day 3, you know. So yeah, it's going to be nice. We are really enjoying the week. So yeah, I think and feel that today will be even spectacular. It will be so amazing. So yeah, don't get left behind. Do come along and join us. Ikhona sanitize amanzi lawa,
amanzi awamnawo phakathi
lawa le awuyelwazi lamanzi
Ayvaramzi
50 rand.
Hayi nami ngimangalisile lapha. Hayibo 50 rand mandi. Musema can been previously the day before siyile lapha safika before breakfast sathi amanzi masinika amanzi sanatha.
Yeah.
Then itolo siya for dinner siyahlala. Nasihleti bayabuta what can we bring for you? Sithi hayi pure water let's man thinking 750 mils bodlela. Then it's not hey makubuya ipili emandi 50 rand.
And now I'm also taking a Pick and Pay. 20 rand, not 50. Yeah, those are la.
Yeah, that was the funniest moment I ever had.
Yeah.
Please, your safety, step away from the sides. Let go of all handles and floors about to rotate, okay? There we go. Picking any flowers, chipping rocks and stones, feeding the wild animals or wasting any water. Please normally listen to public domain and stick to demarcated pathways as there for your own safety. If you are smokers, smoking is only allowed at the farm of passages, situated below the self-service cafe and not on the pathways as it is a major source of litter.
and a fire hazard. As we talk about
We are in Table Mountain right now, so this is our view from the top. Super nice. This is a moment of a lifetime. Yeah guys, let's go. Look guys, Robben Island over there. So yeah, we won't be taking a tour to Robben Island, so we're just looking at it from Table Mountain. As they always say, things always look better from the top. Guys, the God we serve is truly an artist. Look at these mountains. Look at the ocean. It's only him who could say, "Wena manala," and don't go any further. So look how beautiful, how stunning and majestic this is. So yeah, I can't even put it into words with how much beauty I see with my eyes. But yeah, it's I'm even lost for words to even mention how beautiful this place really is. So yeah, this is a moment that deserves, you know, a moment of silence, a bit to just absorb everything and then say, wow, truly God's nature is amazing. Yeah, just had a wonderful breakfast, you know, it's morning here. So yeah, I'm just relaxing here because one of the reasons we came here was so that we can escape the buzz of Johannesburg, to come here to relax. What I feel here is peace and tranquility. So nice, plenty to see, people around taking photos, you know. And then okay, what is behind me over there? Okay, let me start with the first thing that I can see there. There's the Cape Town Stadium whereby they were playing the 2010 FIFA World Cup. The stadium is known as Greenpoint Stadium, just down there. So we found out yesterday that it resembles the design or the shape resembles the Xhosa woman hat that they wear after after they're married, called isiqholo in Xhosa. So and when they were explaining it to us while we were on the boat, like we could see that, oh yeah, we could like make out that it's definitely isiqholo. And then what we also have more behind me is the Robben Island. Like it's like the only island that you can see there where they were keeping all these political activists, political prisoners like Nelson Mandela, as well as the others who were arrested with him. So yeah, we're still going up there. Yeah, we're still going right now we're going to go up. So yeah, let's go guys, let's go. Yeah, we're just here in Table Mountain. As you can see, this nice view, you know, like I wish you can spend the whole day here, but we need to leave. So yeah, for our next appointments, that is so yeah, we're on our way. Let's go guys, come. Why you think me down? Why? I will not fail.
Utawumeta mzana. Nafika nsini kwa.
Ayu.
No mzana, madlalela man. Diving is not for us.
Okay, so yeah, we are going down now. Mask have to be on while we are here. So yeah.
That point of view, you consider
Now it's about to go down, so can't wait to get down. We are going now.
The view of the Arctic Ocean.
It's so quiet. So yeah guys, we are back at the hotel just for some time being before we go out for the massage. So we're gonna relax a bit. Our massage is just after an hour from now. So yeah, let's do some relaxation while we are here. Yeah, guys, we just had a wonderful massage. So the funny part is I ended up sleeping. So we're walking to the hotel now. So yeah, after that we'll go for a swim, I think. Yeah. Restaurant, they call it Geddes restaurant. So yeah, there's a sign at the door which says that you should bring your husband here so that they take care of him, because this is Geddes daycare. So yeah, we decided to eat our dinner here on this day. So yeah, we're just gonna choose now what to eat, then we'll take it from there. And so we'll talk again after we've just enjoyed our meal. Evening, ladies and gents. Yeah, hope your day is quite well. Ours is just fantastic. Yeah, we are just even here chilling, you know, in our lofty room. So yeah, we had an amazing day. I mean, from start to finish. We managed today. First thing in the morning, we managed to go up to Table Mountain. Guys, it was quite phenomenal. You know, I believe that I can't trade that experience for anything else. Going up the cableway, because this is my second cableway. Going up the mountain, because the first one that I did it last month when I was in Harde, a spot in the northwest province of South Africa. So this was like somehow similar to the last one, but then this one was like kind of easy, you know. There wasn't like those uphill scary moments, unlike the last one that I did last month. And then I did also upload that video on my YouTube channel, so it's there. You can just check it out under the name AWaterfront. So, and then after we went to Table Mountain, and then yeah, we got down. The lady who helped us was very helpful and very friendly to us, you know, guys. Ever since we've been to Cape Town, the people are so nice, they're so welcoming. Everyone who I think is assisting us with, could it be information or transport, everything is just so wonderful. They want you to stay in Cape Town, you know. And we are even being told jokes, when we boarded the boat yesterday. The guy who was part of the crew who were helping us, he said to us, what's the best part about that is being said by Joburg people, and then, or what's the best part about being in Joburg? And then we said we don't know. So he said it's just taking a flight down to Cape Town. So, and then we laughed. Yeah, it was quite nice. So yeah, after Table Mountain, we came back to the hotel, stayed a bit, and then after that we had booked a massage at the spa just nearby the hotel. Then we went to the spa, guys. It was so nice. So yeah, today the funny part is I even slept, you know, while I was being massaged, and then I only woke up after my therapist was done massaging me. So yeah, it was quite great. I mean, we laughed and we really had a wonderful time. And then there's just another restaurant here down the road. They call it the Cape Town's oldest ladies daycare. So you just bring your husband there or your boyfriend, and then they just take care of him for you. And then the only thing that you do is you buy him food and the drinks, yeah. And then we were eating at the loft there, and the food was quite nice. We had a plate of full chicken. So yeah, it was quite delicious. It was a delicious meal. I'm still full even now. So yeah, guys, see you tomorrow morning, and do have a wonderful night. Sleep tight.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. So yeah, guys, I'm about to have breakfast. So this is what I'm having. They call it the South African farm. So what's so special? And just amazed, guys. Ode i-rooibos bangilethela ngegedle. Na liketela. Special. So I'm so happy being here. So yeah, guys, let me just eat. See you on the other side. Hi guys, so today is beach day. We are going to the beach. Yeah, it's a nice sunny day. So amazing, so amazing. So yeah, we just chose like the best perfect day. So yeah, let's go and have some wonderful fun.
Yeah, guys, we are here at Camps Bay Beach. We finally arrived. You know, the last time I was at the beach, it was in 2007. Nakona, we went every school because we were doing matric. So yeah, it's been many years. So let me go and enjoy myself. Sharp, guys. Yeah, hey guys, so much fun here. So we're just enjoying ourselves in the ocean. Yeah, it's nice. Salinda macacas. Waiting for them. Ooh, so nice. Ready. Hey guys, we're just in 4th Beach, walking around. It's a bright sunny day, perfect day to go to the beach and do some swimming. It's so nice and fun here. Wow. Yeah, it's quite unbelievable. So marvelous. Guys, we've just been to the beach, so we swam. It was quite a nice experience. You know, I think yeah, the last time I was at the beach, it was 2007, and I went with it was a school trip. So yeah, hey, what's her name? Hey, it was quite nice. So we enjoyed it. Yeah, that's all I can say. Yeah. So yeah, guys, hey, yeah, so we were laughing. I think I made some mistake because there was a huge wave behind me that I didn't see. So yeah, yeah, my cousin saw it, and he saw it while holding the camera, by the way. So yeah, he did some things to me. Yeah, that's wonderful. You know, I saw myself flying somewhere in the water and came back down. So yeah, it was an amazing experience. So when I came out, he was laughing at me so much, and I had salty water everywhere, you can imagine. So yeah, guys, for every day so far, each and every day, we've had a moment that we can look back on and laugh and smile about. So yeah, we are really enjoying our trip. So yeah, guys, let's keep on going, because even now the day is not even finished. So yeah, we'll keep on.
Evening, guys. Yeah, ish. But see, as long as pain, the painful never ends, guys. And yeah, as English says. So unfortunately for us, or fortunately, I don't know which is which, but yeah, we've come to the end of our road here. It's been a spectacular stay at the Victoria and Alfred Hotel in the waterfront of Cape Town. Yeah, guys, it's been amazing. It's been quite a phenomenal week, which I believe will be unforgettable for us as we've spent this time here. So yeah, guys, it's been wonderful. It's been great. We've enjoyed every moment, and truly Cape Town is an amazing place to visit. So yeah, do come along as well if you can. You're going to enjoy it. You won't regret spending your time here. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this vlog all along, and then please subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You just search for SN Motor, then when you find my channel there, you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get all the notifications. You know, as I said, many more videos are coming. So yeah, this is just a wonderful start, and I believe that there'll be more other travel videos that are to come. Hi. Good morning, everyone. So yeah, this is our last day. This is in fact our last morning, because our flight is already booked. We are headed back. Cape Town has been marvelous. Cape Town has been exciting. You know, the view from this balcony window is just breathtaking. So yeah, guys, we have to leave. So yeah, let's go. See you next time, guys. I know that we had fun, but yeah, this is where it all comes to an end. Thanks, guys, for being with us, and thank you very much for watching us on this wonderful journey. So yes, we really enjoyed.
At this stage, weather en route is all clear and clear conditions forecasted for our at Johannesburg. It's got a privilege of flying you guys all the way to Johannesburg after again with latest weather as well as arrival once we've gone through traffic air traffic control. Please note that operations is regulated by the Civil Aviation Regulations and Department of Health Protocols. These procedures and protocols will be briefed by our flight attendant shortly. We ask you to please pay particular attention to the instructions and ensure your compliance. Thank you. Enjoy the flight.
Guys, God is good. Thank you so much for all your prayers. Carried us. To those who are praying for us, we really appreciate it. Yeah, it was a lovely trip. May God richly bless you.